And here we have a YouTuber in his natural habitat, YouTubing for a living. We got the old roller Trans Am. Like I said in a previous video, we're gonna give all our suspension off of this roller to Harry to help him with his Camaro F-body that he got recently. And because I don't need it. I got all my stuff tubular, blah blah blah. He needs something to get this car rolling. The only bad news is that I still need this car to roll around. We're gonna make a couple mounting points with some steel and little caster wheels, and I think we should be okay. Well, hopefully anyways. How do you feel about our plan to make this car back into a roller after you take it?
I think it'll work. I think it might. If it doesn't work, we'll just go get more angle on it.
We'll make it work. We don't really need this car to roll that much. I mean, it's going off and on the trailer. That's basically it. Eventually, when we do tear the car apart to make it into version 2.0 of the Bullet, we're going to be taking all the suspension off and putting it on this car anyways. So for now, I don't need the car to be rolling around much other than on and off the trailer. Make sure to go subscribe at his channel up here. We're gonna touch base with him here a little bit later once he gets further along with the car. See what happens. I don't just have the suspension. Also, we're gonna give him a couple other things that he needs of stuff I just have lying around. It's crazy how much stuff you accumulate. And the funny thing is that I threw a lot of this stuff away that you probably need. So I'm like, you know what? I don't need this stuff, and throw it away. It's in my garage. Little did I know we were going to need it. Oh my God. Oh, that's gonna suck right there. I'm telling you right now. This bolt is gonna suck. Yeah.
255 or something like that.
You might end up having to cut that out. I'm just warning you right now.
Really?
These all the way up. Yep, you're clear. We're good. Just stay planted. Mr. Harry got himself all the front suspension out, all the rear suspension out. Now we truly do just have a bare roller. The fun part is just now going to begin.
Yes.
We got to somehow put some wheels on this thing so we can take it home. Gonna come in your Crocs today. I saw a picture of you were wearing some Crocs.
Hey, I was. I switched them out. I was like, they're gonna make fun of me with my white Crocs on. So I switched them out before
I was waiting for you to show up in those Crocs.
Oh yeah.
Went shopping for wheels.
Oh yeah.
And there was a lot of options. I almost bought the non-caster ones. I was like, that's not gonna work. Now I went back and I realized how expensive they were, and I'm like, well, let's go with this smaller, cheaper wheel. So I'm gonna show you the size of these things, and you let me know what you think.
Okay.
If it's gonna work or not.
Well, like 800-pound casters? Smaller than that?
It might be small.
Oh man.
What do you?
I think it'll work.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, good, because these were $5 compared to the $20 a piece ones.
I hope they work.
I was like, hell no, $20 a piece. Yeah, that's a lot. That part's a lot lower than right here. I was hoping we could just do it here because I'm gonna end up chopping this off anyways. It's gonna save me some work later on. But shit, it might work over there. Just don't weld it like crazy so I don't have to be cutting later on too much.
Yeah, it's just
Maybe just a tack or two.
Yeah, welding is not my trade, but I can weld. I can do it.
So you're gonna have to do it.
Like this.
You're gonna have to do it blind. So yeah, basically, like I said earlier, we're not gonna need this stuff, and I really wanted to help him out because he's been a good friend to us, and he really needs this stuff to get his car going. If you have something you're willing to give up, you think we need it, please send us a message. If we need it, we will gladly take it. If not, of course, we'll let you know that we don't need it. We're only after things that we need to get that car rolling. So there's still other stuff that he's gonna need to complete it, but for the most part, a lot of this was on his list. So at least that stuff taken care of. I mean, yeah, it's not a Ford 9-inch, but it's gonna get him on the road, get him moving to be able to enjoy the car and make content. And then down the road, yeah, he's gonna invest in a 9-inch and put the tubular control arms and stuff like that where he needs to. But for now, to get the car up as cheap as possible, focus on the performance stuff, all this stock stuff's gonna work perfectly good for us. We're having a weld off right now to see who can weld the best. Just gonna let y'all know that is Harry's welding right there. That's horrible. In reality, we both don't know what we're doing, but this is all temporary stuff, so we're just having some fun with it, trying to get some welds in. Is it any better?
Yeah, it's a little bit. Hey, I'm starting to stack dimes. Starting to.
It's more like quarters.
Yeah.
I don't know if I call that a dime.
It's like a dime and a nickel.
The question is, will it hold?
Oh.
We're gonna find out as soon as we put it in the trailer.
Yeah. The hardest part is gonna be rolling it up into the trailer.
Yeah.
Hey guys, so me and Juan just had a welding competition. Neither of us are welders by far. I mean, Juan did a lot better. Look at that. He actually has some dimes.
That one right
but
there.
But that was also Juan right there.
That's not me. That's you. So we got Harry complete pretty much. Man, that's a good load, bro.
Yeah.
That's gonna make a huge difference in a lot. If you could find 2 more spare wheels, you could get that car on the ground.
If I could find me some GTOs.
Yeah, yeah.
I'll be using them as front runners.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, so it's pretty close to getting there. All right, the true test of our work here. We're gonna have to winch this car all the way up. See if the casters hold. I ordered some race ramps anyways because I figured that thing was goner. It made it. It did not like it. It made all kinds of noises.
Lucky that
but the wheels are still straight.
Yep. We're lucky that the casters went straight on this.
Yeah,
they
that's
didn't
true.
go on the side.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah. Lucky or professional placement?
Hey, professional. I'm surprised that it snapped off right there.
I know.
Worried
I was
about right here.
where it was gonna catch right there.
Yeah.
Well, we still got to get it off.
Yeah.
And then at some point in the future, on and off again.
Yeah.
So it ain't over.
Yeah.
Maybe then I'll be able to afford some better wheels. I just got to go over to my dad's other shop and drop off the car. Drop it off there because I do have a couple things I want to do to it. So that'll give us some room at the house that we need in order to mess with the Firebird, because we got to get the Firebird. I got a week left, actually less days because we're gonna be leaving a little early. So I don't have a whole lot of days to get it ready, and I just want to look over, get the power steering leak fixed, fix the e-brake, look at the tires, and get all that stuff done. Oh, one more thing, if you're watching this video and you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. We're gonna keep doing videos. We got a lot more content coming. I got a few surprises, like I said, a couple events before the year's over, so we're gonna be making a ton of more videos. Hit the sub button, hit the bell for me, and we're gonna get back to work. Huh? Why are you laughing at me? What do you have to say to the people at YouTube? Oh my God! Oh no! Please put the hair back. So Okay, Fabio.